everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Queen Nizzle. Today will be my first video I'm putting out. It will be a tutorial slash review, and today is very significant because it's my 6-year anniversary being a natural gal. Just appreciate anybody who's here watching, so let's go. The main choice, Do It Fro the Culture line, and this line comes with 6 products. Okay, so you have the Powerful shampoo, and I did use the shampoo and I liked it. It wasn't like it dried my hair out. I didn't feel like my hair was stripped of all of its natural oils and moisture, so I did like the shampoo. It felt moisturizing to me, actually, contrary to some of the other reviews that I saw on the shampoo. But I liked it, and I would definitely use it again. And I did not use the Courageous conditioner. I didn't use it because I was deep conditioning my hair with the mask that I'm going to show you in a second. But on a day where I do not do a mask, I will definitely use this deep conditioning mask. It's the Magnificent Miracle Mask, and I gotta tell you, I loved it. First of all, it smells good. It smells so good, and it looks like a clay mask, like the ones that you put on your face. Yeah. It smells like strawberry church candy to me. You know, the ones that your granny used to give you with the little strawberry looking wrapper on. So about the mask, it is very thick. When I detangle my hair, I will say it probably took me less than half the time that it would normally take for me to detangle my hair. It didn't have a ton of slip, but what I will say is it softened my hair, and when I detangled, the detangling brush went through with no problem. So I like this. Definitely will be using it again. Definitely will be buying this again. And so for my braid out, which is what I have, I used the Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In, and this looks similar to the mask. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that because I'm not wasting product. I use a lot of product, and so I'll say that this it went on very, very easily. And when I put it on, like, the definition from just the leave-in itself was crazy. Honey, hello. After I applied the leave-in, I applied the Bold Buttery Gel. I like this too. Let me just say I like the line. This smells more like a charcoal type deal, but you can look at this and see the consistency. It's like a putty, like silly putty almost, or that GAC stuff that we used to play with back in the day. But yeah, so it's kind of sticky, but when you put it into your hair, it glides on. So what I have not used yet, but I'm going to use it when I take the braids down, is the Sophisticated Sheen Spray. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to put some on my hands as I'm taking these braids down. Hopefully it'll reduce frizz. From what I've seen on other tutorials or reviews, is that this line specifically gives you the big voluminous look. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to wait until day 2 or day 3 hair to have big old sexy hair, which is what I like. So I'm hoping that it turns out like that, actually, because I never like my first day hair when I do braid outs and twist outs. So hopefully this will be the line that perfects my first day braid out. I did basically like a braid and twist, where I braided it and then I twisted it down at the very ends, the bottoms of it. This is what I usually do. This is 14 braids. Here we go. I'm gonna put some of this. This is the Sophisticated Sheen Spray. Main choice, Do It Fro the Culture. And no, this isn't sponsored. Don't nobody know me to be sponsoring me. So yeah, I went and bought the whole line. It was at Sally's, buy one get one. I believe it was buy one get one half off. So I caught them on a good day, and I got the whole entire line because I'm a firm believer in using the entire line when I first try a product prior to, you know, mixing them, because usually what they say is the products are made to be used together, which sometimes ain't the case, and you may have them work well with something else. I'm just saying. Look at this. It doesn't shoot out like a regular spray. It's like a stream. And I'm gonna start from the back and take my first braid down carefully. Okay, so this is before the separate and fluff. Y'all, just look at this. Look at this. Do y'all see this? Like, it's so shiny. Okay, time to separate. And here I am again. I'm gonna put some more of this on my hands. I'm gonna be fluffing as well. I'm gonna pick it. So okay, so after separating, picking and fluffing, I use this to pick and fluff. These are my results, and I love it. Yes, 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 yes. So despite the frizz, I still love it. I don't mind frizz. I like the big afro kinky curling. I'm definitely pleased with my results. I do understand what some of the others who have reviewed the product have said. I understand when they said that it's not, you know, a style that will last very long, because my hair is super soft. So the gel, the Bold Buttery Gel, it doesn't really have like a hold for real to it. It's very, very light, which is cool. It's cool. Like, my hair is still super defined. I just really like that it came out like my second or third day. I will definitely be using this again. This may be like my braid out go-to, honestly, because I haven't found anything to do my hair like this. Like, as you can see, I got some frizzy spots. Again, this side of my hair, I do expect that to be frizzier than probably any other portion of my hair. So yeah, you guys can take a look. Here's the back side. Shake my hair, it pretty much falls into its shape. So I'm feeling it. I like it. I really do. So yeah, pros and cons. So the pros of the Mane Choice Do It Fro the Culture line. It smells amazing. My hair is soft. It is voluminous, big old sexy hair. It is defined, as you can see. I've got definition. Shout out to the black charcoal and the black cumin. I'm with it. And for the cons, I would say the only con is the mess for me. You know, if you gotta wipe your hand on your towel or something like that, it's leaving gray marks all over whatever it is that you touch. So that's like one con I can think of for myself. I guess I would say another con would be if you're someone who likes to maintain your style for a little while, then this may not work for you because it doesn't have a lot of hold. The buttery gel, Bold Buttery Gel, doesn't have a whole lot of hold, but definitely gonna give you the definition, as you can see. And maybe another con for some people would be, you know, the frizz, but I would say it's called for fro the culture. So afro texture, afro kinky, you know, so it's kind of to be expected. I absolutely love my hair. So I'm pleased. I'm really, really happy. I may do some more separating and fluffing because the bigger the hair, the better for me. But yeah, just, you know, overall, I love it. I do recommend this product and I will definitely be using it again. So y'all like, subscribe, tell me what you think down below in the comments. I want to talk to you. We can discuss whatever you want. If you want me to try a specific product line or a specific product, I can do that. Yeah, I just really thank you guys. Yes, and happy 6-year natural anniversary to me. Like, this is the way to celebrate with hair like this. Like, come on. I'm with it. I'm really loving it. I'm excited. Like, look at that. Thank y'all for watching. Again, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, Queen Nizzle. Thank you. Bye.